Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our grammar writing skills. Second topic, advertisements. First of all, what is an advertisement? An advertisement is a kind of public notice or announcement which made through popular communication medium like newspapers, magazines, televisions, etc. It attracts the immediate attention of public and is used to promote sales or services. Okay? Now, there are two kinds of advertisements. First, classified advertisements, and second one, commercial or display advertisement. Firstly, we will discuss about classified advertisement. You come across classified advertisements in the columns of newspaper and magazines. It is categorized in separate columns, occupies less space and is more economical. Let's now some important features of classified advertisements. First, written in short phrases and words. Students, it means complete sentence are not used. The advertisement or classified advertisement is written in short phrases and words. Second, simple, concise and to the point. Third, comprehensive, yet must include all important matters. Fourth, give all necessary details in points using commas. Fifth, clearly state the category at the top. For example, for sale, to let, situation wanted or situation vacant, matrimonial, bride wanted, bridegroom wanted, lost and found, missing persons, travels and tours, etc. Sixth point, give contact address, name and telephone number. Seventh and most important point, put the matter in a box. Now, kinds of classified advertisements. First, situation vacant or wanted. Second, lost and found. Third, sale and purchase. Fourth, accommodation wanted. Fifth, educational. Sixth, placement services. Seventh, matrimonial. Eighth, to let. Or ninth, travels and tours. Now, some necessary information regarding how to write a situation vacant or other kind of advertisement. Firstly, we will discuss about situation vacant. In situation vacant, specify the post and number of vacancies, qualities of the person required, name of company. Name of company optional होता है. Age and sex of the candidate, pay scale and perks and mode of applying, contact address and phone number. To let के लिए type of accommodation, number of rooms, floor. Second, whether it is independent or an apartment. Third point होना चाहिए rent expected, type of tenant required, government employee, small family, etc. Whom and whom, when to contact, contact address and phone number. Vehicle for sale, make, brand name like Maruti, Honda, Hyundai, etc. Model, color, accessories, year of manufacturing, mileage वगैरह. Condition, ownership detail, price expected and contact address and phone number. Property for sale or plot for sale. Firstly, you have to mention location where it is, areas in square meters or yards, name of the development authority, price expected, contact address, phone number. Lost and found, Begin with lost and found. Description of the article, when and where the article was lost or found, reward for finding it, contact address, phone number, etc. Travels and tours, name of the agency, distinctions and durations, details of the package, discount if any, contact address and phone number. Now second, commercial advertisement. Some main important points for commercial advertisement. Designed for commercial purpose. First thing, commercial advertisements are designed for commercial purpose. Second, more space and more expensive in terms of advertising cost. Second, visually attractive होते हैं with catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expressions and pictures or sketches are used. Next point है varying font size or styles. Language, colorful and lucid. Essential details to be added in the commercial advertisements: name of the company, institutions, organizers, details regarding the product, event, educational course, etc. Special offers or discount if any. Address of the company, institution, organizers, etc. Students, I am also sending you some photos of regarding this topic, and we will continue next topic in next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Be safe. Be healthy. Okay.